Welcome! Today, we're breaking down Social Security in the simplest way possible. Social Security is a government program designed to provide financial support to people who are retired, disabled, or survivors of deceased workers. Most people hear about Social Security but aren't quite sure how it actually works. In this video, we'll walk through the basics, from how you qualify to how you receive benefits. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of what Social Security is and why it's important for millions of Americans. Let's get started by looking at the origins and purpose of Social Security. Social Security was created in 1935 during the Great Depression to help protect Americans from poverty in old age or when they can't work due to disability. The main goal is to provide a safety net for workers and their family. It's a way to ensure that after years of working and paying taxes, people have some financial support when they need it most. Social Security is not just for retirees, it also helps people who become disabled and families of workers who have died. This broad coverage makes it a cornerstone of financial security in the United States. You might wonder where the money for Social Security comes from. The answer is simple. It's funded through payroll taxes. Every time you get a paycheck, a portion is taken out for Social Security taxes. Your employer also pays a matching amount. These taxes go into a trust fund, which is then used to pay benefits to people who qualify. So, today's workers are essentially supporting today's retirees. And when you retire, future workers will help fund your benefits. This system is called a pay-as-you-go model. Almost everyone who works in the United States pays Social Security taxes. This includes employees and employers, and even self-employed people. For employees, the Social Security tax rate is 6.2% of your wages, and your employer pays another 6.2%. If you're self-employed, you pay the full 12.4% yourself. These taxes are automatically deducted from your paycheck, so you don't have to do anything extra to contribute. A Social Security number, or SSN, is a unique number assigned to you when you start working in the U.S. It's used to track your earnings over your lifetime and determine your eligibility for Social Security benefits. Your SSN is important for many things, like getting a job, opening a bank account, or filing taxes. It's your personal link to the Social Security system. To qualify for Social Security benefits, you need to work and pay Social Security taxes for a certain number of years. The system uses credits to measure your work history. In 2024, you earn 1 credit for every $1,640 you make, up to 4 credits per year. Most people need 40 credits, or about 10 years of work, to qualify for retirement benefits. The more you earn and the longer you work, the higher your potential benefits. There are 3 main types of Social Security benefits: retirement, disability, and survivor benefits. Retirement benefits are for people who have worked and reached a certain age. Disability benefits help those who can't work due to a serious medical condition. Survivor benefits go to family members of workers who have died. Each type has its own rules, but all are designed to provide financial help when you need it most. Retirement benefits are the most common type of Social Security benefit. You can start receiving them as early as age 62, but the longer you wait, the higher your monthly payment will be. Full retirement age is between 66 and 67, depending on when you were born. If you wait until age 70, you'll get the maximum benefit. The amount you receive is based on your highest 35 years of earnings. If you become unable to work due to a serious medical condition, Social Security Disability Insurance, SSDI, can provide monthly payments. To qualify, you must have worked long enough and paid Social Security taxes. The disability must be expected to last at least a year or result in death. SSDI helps people maintain financial stability when they can't earn a living due to health problems. When a worker dies, their family may be eligible for survivor benefits. This can include a spouse, children, or even dependent parents. Survivor benefits help families maintain financial stability after losing a loved one who provided income. The amount depends on the worker's earnings and the survivor's relationship to the worker. It's an important way Social Security supports families during difficult times. Social Security benefits are calculated based on your average earnings over your 35 highest earning years. The Social Security Administration uses a formula to determine your monthly payment. The more you earn and the longer you work, the higher your benefit will be. There are also adjustments for inflation, so your benefits keep up with the cost of living. This ensures that your purchasing power doesn't shrink over time. You can start receiving Social Security retirement benefits as early as age 62. However, if you start early, your monthly payments will be lower. Waiting until your full retirement age, usually 66 or 67, means you'll get your full benefit. If you wait until age 70, your monthly payment will be even higher. Deciding when to start depends on your personal situation, health, and financial needs. Applying for Social Security benefits is straightforward. You can apply online, by phone, or at your local Social Security office. You'll need to provide personal information, work history, and documents like your birth certificate and social security number. The process usually takes a few weeks, and you'll be notified when your application is approved. It's a good idea to apply a few months before you want your benefits to start. Once you apply for Social Security, the Social Security Administration reviews your application and verifies your information. If everything checks out, you'll receive a letter with your benefit amount and when payments will start. Payments are usually made monthly, directly to your bank account. If there are any issues or missing information, the SSA will contact you for clarification. Social Security payments are made monthly, usually by direct deposit into your bank account. This makes it easy and secure to receive your benefits. You can also choose to get a paper check, but most people prefer direct deposit for convenience. Payments are made on a set schedule, so you'll know exactly when to expect your money each month. Yes, you can work while receiving Social Security benefits, but there are some rules. If you start benefits before your full retirement age and earn over a certain amount, your benefits may be temporarily reduced. Once you reach full retirement age, you can earn as much as you want without affecting your benefits. This allows you to supplement your income if you choose to keep working. Some people may have to pay taxes on their Social Security benefits, depending on their total income. If you have other sources of income, like a pension or part-time job, a portion of your benefits may be taxable. The IRS has specific rules and income thresholds to determine if you owe taxes on your benefits. It's a good idea to check with a tax professional or use the IRS website for details. Each year, Social Security benefits may increase through a cost of living adjustment, or COLA. This adjustment is based on inflation and helps ensure that your benefits keep up with rising prices. The Social Security Administration announces COLA changes each fall, and any increase takes effect in January. This helps protect your purchasing power over time. Social Security also provides benefits to spouses and sometimes other family members. Even if a spouse never worked, they may be eligible for benefits based on their partner's work record. Divorced spouses and dependent children may also qualify in certain situations. These rules help ensure that families are supported, not just individual workers. If you move to another country, you may still be able to receive Social Security benefits. The rules depend on where you move and your citizenship status. Some countries have agreements with the US that allow payments to continue, while others do not. It's important to check with the Social Security Administration before moving abroad to understand how your benefits may be affected. Social Security and Medicare are two separate programs, but they're closely linked. When you turn 65, you become eligible for Medicare, which helps cover healthcare costs. Many people have their Medicare premiums deducted directly from their Social Security payments. This makes managing your retirement benefits and healthcare easier and more streamlined. The Social Security Trust Fund is where payroll taxes are collected and held until they're needed to pay benefits. There are actually two trust funds, one for retirement and survivor benefits, and one for disability benefits. The trust funds are managed by the U.S. Treasury and are invested in special government securities. This system helps ensure that money is available when people need it. Many people worry about the future of Social Security. While the system faces challenges as the population ages, it's not going away anytime soon. Lawmakers are working on solutions to keep the program strong for future generations. Social Security is backed by the federal government, making it one of the most reliable sources of retirement income. There are many myths about Social Security, such as the idea that it's going bankrupt or that you won't get any benefits. In reality, Social Security will continue to pay benefits, though changes may be needed to keep the program fully funded. It's important to get information from reliable sources and not believe everything you hear. Each year, the Social Security Administration sends you a statement showing your earnings history and estimated future benefits. You can also access your statement online at any time. Reviewing your statement helps you plan for retirement and ensures your earnings are recorded correctly. If you spot any errors, contact the SSA to get them fixed. Your Social Security number is a key piece of personal information. Protect it carefully to avoid identity theft. Don't share your number unless absolutely necessary, and keep your Social Security card in a safe place. If you think your number has been stolen, contact the Social Security Administration and credit bureaus immediately. Social Security Disability Insurance, SSDI, is different from Supplemental Security Income, SSI. SSDI is for people who have worked and paid Social Security taxes, while SSI is for those with limited income and resources, regardless of work history. Both programs help people with disabilities, but the eligibility rules are different. Supplemental Security Income, or SSI, is a separate program from Social Security. It provides monthly payments to people with limited income and resources who are elderly, blind, or disabled. SSI is funded by general tax revenues, not Social Security taxes. It's designed to help those who need extra financial support. Children can also receive Social Security benefits in certain situations. If a parent dies, becomes disabled, or retires, their children may be eligible for monthly payments. These benefits help families provide for children's needs during difficult times. The rules are specific, so it's important to check with the SSA if you think your child may qualify. Widows and widowers may be eligible for Social Security survivor benefits. The amount depends on the deceased spouse's earnings and the survivor's age. Benefits can start as early as age 60 or age 50 if disabled. These payments help surviving spouses maintain financial stability after a loss. If you're divorced, you may still be eligible for Social Security benefits based on your ex-spouse's work record. To qualify, your marriage must have lasted at least 10 years, and you must be unmarried and at least 62 years old. This rule helps ensure that people who spent years as a spouse are not left without support in retirement. Social Security benefits are subject to federal income tax if your total income exceeds certain thresholds. Up to 85% of your benefits may be taxable, depending on your combined income. State taxes vary, so check your state's rules. Planning ahead can help you manage your tax liability in retirement. If you have a pension from work not covered by Social Security, your benefits may be reduced by the windfall elimination provision or government pension offset. These rules affect people who worked in jobs where they didn't pay Social Security taxes, like some government positions. It's important to understand how your pension may impact your Social Security benefits. Social Security is just one part of your retirement plan. It's important to save on your own through 401ks, IRAs, or other investments. Social Security provides a foundation, but most people need additional savings to maintain their lifestyle in retirement. Planning ahead helps ensure a comfortable and secure future. Social Security is more than just a personal benefit. It helps reduce poverty and support millions of Americans. It provides a safety net for the elderly, disabled, and survivors, reducing the risk of homelessness and hunger. By pooling resources, Social Security strengthens communities and supports the economy. Social Security plays a big role in the U.S. economy. The money paid out in benefits is spent on goods and services, supporting businesses and jobs. It also helps stabilize the economy during downturns by providing steady income to retirees and others. This makes Social Security a key part of the nation's financial health. The future of Social Security depends on changes in the population and the economy. As more people retire and fewer people work, the system faces challenges. Lawmakers are considering options like raising taxes, changing benefits, or increasing the retirement age to keep the program strong. Staying informed helps you plan for your own future. If you have questions about Social Security, the best place to start is the official Social Security Administration website. You can also call or visit your local office for personalized help. There are many resources available to help you understand your benefits and plan for the future. Understanding Social Security is easier if you know a few key terms. These include credits, units for qualifying, full retirement age when you get full benefits, COLA, cost of living adjustment, and trust fund, where money is held. Knowing these terms helps you make sense of how the system works. Social Security is a program that affects nearly everyone in the U.S. Whether you're just starting your career, planning for retirement, or already receiving benefits, it's important to understand how the system works. Taking time to learn about Social Security can help you make better decisions for your financial future. To sum up, Social Security is a government program that provides financial support to retirees, disabled individuals, and survivors. It's funded by payroll taxes and is designed to be a safety net for millions of Americans. Understanding how it works helps you make the most of your benefits and plan for a secure future. There are ways to maximize your Social Security benefits. Consider working longer, delaying benefits until age 70, and coordinating with your spouse. Review your Social Security statement regularly to check for errors. Planning ahead and understanding your options can help you get the most from the program. Be aware of scams related to Social Security. Never give out your Social Security number or personal information to strangers. The Social Security Administration will never call and ask for your number or payment over the phone. If you get a suspicious call or email, report it to the authorities right away. If you need more help, there are many resources available. The Social Security Administration offers online tools, publications, and customer service. Community organizations and financial advisors can also provide guidance. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have questions or need assistance with your benefits. Social Security is a vital part of financial security for millions of Americans. By understanding how it works, you can make informed decisions and plan for a better future. Remember, Social Security is there to support you and your family when you need it most. Thanks for watching, and take charge of your financial well-being.